All right, so this is the week 5 coding assignment video. First step was creating an interface named logger. So you can see that here. The second step was adding 2 void methods to the logger interface, each with a string as an argument, one named log, the other named error. So here's log, here's error, and there's the argument. Create 2 classes that implement the logger interface, asterisk logger, spaced logger. Here's asterisk logger and spaced logger. Starting with asterisk logger, the log method on the asterisk logger should print out the string it receives between 3 asterisks on either side of the string. So this is how I did it right here. I just did a sys out with the string here of the 3 asterisks plus my input and another string of 3 asterisks. And then the error method, it's supposed to create a block similar to this one right here, so that the string passed in is surrounded by this block of asterisks. So this is how I did it right here. Another sys out, asterisk plus new line, error plus the message that was passed through. You can see how I did that there. On spaced logger, it's a little bit similar, but for the first method, it's designed to add a space between each character of the string argument that's passed into its method. So I use string builder for both of these methods. It's called this one spaced out. And then I used a for loop to iterate over the string that was passed in. And then I used the spaced out dot append. And then I used first and then the character at position I, and appended with that a string space. And then I just did a little sys out there to string. The second one was supposed to do the same with an error message, and then the string passed in with a space between each letter. So again, very similar. However, I just added before I did the for loop, I added this error string using the dot append on my string builder. And then I iterated over the second argument. And then again, similar to the one up here, just appended these right here at position I, and then printed it out to the console. And then the last step was create a class named app that has a main method. In this class, instantiate an instance of each of your logger classes that implement the logger interface, and then test both methods on both instances passing in strings of your choice. So here's what I did. Again, just also I forgot to mention that I used the implements up here to implement logger. And then on the app here, as you can see, pretty straightforward. Called the asterisk logger and the space logger, and then just used asterisk logger.log, and then passed in a string, and asterisk logger.error, passed in the string, and did the same with spaced logger here.